Kate with WTI. Now, who says shelf brackets can't be stylish? These are from Aunulahca, and they are a beautiful set of black shelf brackets. What I really like about them is how sleek they are. They look very modern. They have a nice matte black finish, and you can either mount them upward or downward, which I love. So I chose to mount them upward. It's a little more of a modern take. Super easy to install. We went directly into studs, but it does come with drywall anchors if you happen to not be able to get a stud. The screws are good quality too, so that's always a bonus. Take your time getting the brackets level. We put all of the brackets on the wall first, but we did use the shelf to help us to level it out and then attach the shelf after by screwing directly in with the short screws. Nice and simple, straightforward install. They are rated for 150 pounds, so they're nice and sturdy. These don't feel flimsy at all. These ones are 8-inch brackets to go with my 10-inch shelves, but they do come in a variety of sizes, different colors, so have a look, find the ones that suit your style, suit your needs. But the quality is excellent. It's everything I needed, and I'm sure you'll find what you need too, and that's my point of view.